automotive aftermarket industry. I'm Kimberly Bottom for AAPEX TV, brought to you by ZF.
And I'm Andrew McIntosh. The AAPEX 16 Expo floor is open for business. It's why people come here from all over the globe to go hands-on with products that are setting new industry standards. Check out some of the exciting demonstrations featured on the AAPEX show floor.
It is a CRC chem-free smart washer system. It's bioremediating. It uses microbes to eat grease and oil, so there's no hazardous waste. It's good for the environment, safe for the users. It saves money on other parts cleaning solutions, and it cleans parts great.
Well, this is our brand Mechanic. It's all for the DIY. A person who likes to do their own work at home, in their own garage, in their own driveway, where that environment's different than a professional garage. At this show, we're launching new products in our lighting. Our Pod Light, which is a magnetically ball-mounted light. It's omnidirectional. You can put it anywhere you want to. In our power category, we have our jump and drive booster cable reels, and that helps organize, keep things safe, keep those cables working when you need them.
What we wanted to show here was from a product technology portfolio, how some of our OE expertise and some of the new technologies that are going to be coming out in the vehicles as new manufacturers are bringing new technologies, and how everything gets a little bit more complicated and how that's going to transition over into the aftermarket segment.
Some exciting news on the diesel engine front. Standard Motor Products announced a new supply agreement with Pure Power Technologies to provide first-to-market OE production diesel fuel injectors.
What we have here is we have technicians that are, sick and tired of replacing injectors multiple times, sub-quality remanufactured products. We've gone to market now with an exclusive OE partnership with Pure Power Technologies, a OE class, world-class manufacturer, and it really replaces and takes the guesswork out of putting a remanufactured injector in an engine.
It's inspections in an instant. For today's AAPEX TV Technology Spotlight, we're bringing you the Vehicle MRI, brought to you by Denso. This inspection tool is used to assess overall vehicle health and to forecast future problems. It does this by capturing and analyzing OBD2 data from a vehicle's internal electronic system. A huge benefit of using Vehicle MRI is convenient and secure remote access.
This particular product is hosted in the cloud, and one of the advantages of that is it allows the technicians to be able to access the vehicle's data from any location that he's at, as long as he has internet access. Denso prides itself on producing products, and a lot of the protocols and procedures that they follow strictly adhere to the most current security guidelines.
I'm joined now by Mark Thorpe, who is the head of aftermarket sales for ZF Services for US and Canada. Mark, thank you for joining us again this year.
Great to see you again.
So last year ZF had an exciting announcement at their booth. You're going to do it again this year. What are you going to talk about on Wednesday?
So on Wednesday we'll have an exciting announcement. We will be launching one ZF Aftermarket to the press, and it will be on booth 5061.
And I know you can't spill too many of the beans, but can you give me a little hint about what that's going to be?
Well, what the announcement will do, it will show the aftermarket that we are the second largest aftermarket organization in the globe due to the integration of the TRW aftermarket structure.
So that sounds exciting, but what is that really going to mean in tangible terms for people in the industry?
Well, we know aftermarket is a people's business, and this is why our main focus on the introduction, or the first stage of the introduction, has been about our sales team. They're the most important part of our team. They're the interface between the customer and the organization, and obviously that bridge, and they're a key to our success, so that's what we'll be announcing tomorrow.
Can't wait for the announcement, Mark. Thank you so much for sharing it with us today.
Thank you. Look forward to it.
From the ingenious to the innovative, AAPEX 16 handed out its new product and packaging showcase awards. The winners were voted on by thousands of other industry professionals before the show started.
We won the Performance Award in the new packaging showcase for our Start Your Engines fuel system revitalizer product. And we won the Protection Award for our new heat capless compliant bottle. We're just so excited to have our tough critics say, you know what, Gold Eagle really hit it out of the park on something new and something innovative.
We're so proud here at Duplicolor VH2. We've put a lot of heart and soul into expanding this product line, and we knew that the neons were going to be ahead. It's so great to be recognized for those. We have easy peel technology built into the program, so all you have to do is roll a corner of it with your thumb, and once you break that seal, it peels off in nice sheets.
Very exciting. We're really proud to have won this great award. It's a product that's a catalytic converter cleaner, and we're the first company to have an EPA registered product that will actually clean the catalytic converter and help the consumer pass emissions tests.
We won a couple of awards I'm really proud of. We won for Best New Packaging for our Slime Pro Series carded items. And what we did was we brought some trap packaging this year, and we brought things out of the card so that you can really see all of the product. And then we won Best New Product for general merchandise for our Slime Pro Series Super Duty Inflator.
And we're really excited about the new Fred Pro. It's brighter, it's more water resistant. It's for the marketplace, for professionals, and even emergency services alike.
Congratulations to all the winners.
There's a lot of discussions going on right now between the vehicle manufacturers and the associations.
The first ever Let's Tech Talk at AAPEX brought in a big crowd. Mitchell One's Ben Johnson talked about the future of telematics and emerging vehicle technologies.
It was great. I really appreciated being asked and being able to kick this thing off. And when you look at the driving forces behind it, the drive for improved fuel economy, the public's reaction to hybrids and alternative powertrains has not been what they thought they were going to be. So everybody's kind of scrambling to see. I think there's even a study going on to see if it's even feasible to reach these mile per gallon targets. I mean, in some countries have actually said they foresee by 2030 the internal combustion engine being gone, going to all electric, because they just can't meet these standards. So it's really an interesting time in this industry.
A new look and a re-energized mission. What was the Car Care Council Women's Board is now called Women in Auto Care. This was unveiled at a ceremony on Tuesday that also recognized the 2016 Women of the Year. Newly elected Women in Auto Care President Tammy Tecklenburg says a new tagline really sums it up. It's about connecting, empowering, and mentoring women in our industry.
I'm super excited about the foundation that we've built over the last 3 years. I was the committee chair for member development. We launched a really amazing mentorship program. More scholarships, more mentoring, and more connecting. We want to build our network and build our women in auto care.
Auto Care Association President Bill Hanvey briefed the media and laid out his vision for the future. The association will focus on 5 strategic pillars to address the dramatic growth and change in technology the industry is facing. Those pillars include emerging vehicle technologies, global supply chain efficiency, membership growth and retention, global growth opportunities, and profile and influence.
We determined that emerging vehicle, the access to data, our industry is reliant upon that data now and in the future. Global supply chain efficiency, we want to make the industry become more efficient. We also think that there's opportunities globally to make that supply chain efficient. And we also think that from a political profile and influence, we can grow our industry's profile in Wall Street and in Washington and at the state level.
The AAPEX 16 hashtag is trending on Twitter. Great job, guys. Keep those tweets coming.
And we have our very first Show Us Your Selfie Instagram winner. Here's a selfie that just scored a $150 gift card.
For your chance to win, just follow the AAPEX Show on Instagram and then post a selfie with the hashtag AAPEX16. For AAPEX TV, brought to you by ZF, I'm Kimberly Bottom.
And I'm Andrew McIntosh. Thanks for watching.
In a world of explosive turbocharger growth, who will you turn to? Standard presents the Turbocharger. 100% new and quality remanufactured direct-fit turbochargers for diesel and gasoline-powered vehicles. Full coverage turbo domination is here. And don't miss all new, not remanufactured diesel fuel injectors only from Standard.